So next thing we're gonna do is add our rising sections to our manhole. This to bring it to the level of the building, or whatever level is required according to the drawing. For that, we're gonna place a rubber ring around the manhole. This is going to create a tight seal, so that no liquids, in case something was to happen, a blockage or whatever, liquids do not escape onto the ground and create contamination. I had pre-lubed this, but I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna apply some lube. This will help me push the ring into position. So as previously said, when doing this, we would have concrete the base, and that would have secured it in place. Once we add rising section, then we continue with the concrete around the manhole. That will secure the port and protect it and add a bit more of structural properties to it. So I've placed the second riser. I'll double check, make sure that it's gone in all sides. Once I'm happy with it, I proceed to install the MuckStopper. It's very easy to install. We just place it in the center and push down. We carry on pushing until it gets to the bottom. What this is going to do is it's going to stop any debris from entering the manhole in case its cover was to come off or anything else. We come to do finishing works. What we do is we can remove it, all the debris are out, and we end up with a clean chamber.